Hey everybody, it's Claire. Today I thought I would share with you what I got for Trader Joe's for the week. I got all my meals for me and Tommy, and I spent $54 total. The first thing I bought are these teeny tiny avocados, and they're just the perfect little size to do avocado toast, avocado with egg. So I've been doing this a lot as breakfast for both of us. I'll even split one in half and we'll each get one and have a nice breakfast that way. Next, I hit the banana stand. These are 19 cents each. You don't want to miss out on this easy snack idea with some peanut butter. Throw it on a tortilla, make a fun banana roll up. Next, I got 3 red bell peppers. You could toss them in with eggs to make a nice sort of omelet. What I love doing is actually doing stuffed peppers, which is what we're gonna do for dinner this week. And that leads me to the next item I got, which is ground turkey. I always like to go for this. It's really affordable at Trader Joe's. I just got the 1 pound ground turkey. Again, gonna stuff the red bell peppers with this, gonna throw it on the skillet with some tomatoes, with some black beans, really just get a nice like taco seasoning going in there. I love doing that. It's such an easy recipe, and just bake that in the oven. I was just really craving barbecue when I was shopping down in Trader Joe's just now, so I grabbed impulsive little pulled pork action, and I've heard this is really good. I bought it before, but I think I got the chicken one, so I haven't tried the pulled pork yet. So I thought we would do, I have some bread in the fridge that I need to use, so I thought we'd just do some barbecue sandwiches. Next, I got some light string cheese requested by Tommy, and then also Tommy loves these things, which I still don't know why. These Volpe rollini, so it's just pretty much mozzarella and prosciutto ham. I mean, I get why he likes these, but these are around a little over $1 each, which I kind of think is just a waste of money. He loves them though. Did get some 12 large brown eggs. These are just, you know, staple in your fridge for the week. I did pick up portobello mushrooms. These are really fun to do. I've been really into doing little mushroom pizzas. All you do is just bake it in the oven, throw a little marinara sauce, and then top it off with cheese and some oregano, and it gets a really, that kind of curbs that pizza craving. And next, I bought some grilled chicken strips. Usually I buy the lemon pepper one, but I think I overdid the lemon pepper one. So I just went to a basic one. I want this just to throw in for lunch if I want to have it with veggies, a salad, whatever it is. It's just a kind of an easy thing to have. As my veggies for the week, I got the chopped veggie mix because I'm lazy and I don't like to sit and chop a lot of things, so I like this. I was thinking of pairing it with that grilled chicken, so that's just an easy meal right there. I've been a little frustrated with the fresh produce of Trader Joe's. The fresh spinach has been going bad way before the expiration date, so I've been kind of annoyed by that. So what I did was just go for the frozen spinach this week to do with my smoothies. The next thing has been my favorite. If you guys like chocolate covered strawberries, you need to go get this right now. This is the Gone Berry Crazy Dark chocolate covered strawberry pieces, and this is new at Trader Joe's. The banana ones I always got, but this just knocked the banana ones off #1 in my opinion. Next, I got an onion. I got this just basic sweet onion, 79 cents, can't beat that. Is the shrimp stir fry I've been loving. I wanted to do this for lunch for myself, and this has 2.5 servings in it. So easy to make. I actually add a little bit of chili lime seasoning that I also have from Trader Joe's, and a little bit of ranch, sriracha, and you have really good shrimp stir fry dish for lunch or for dinner. I've been really loving this. The last item I have is this uncured dry rub bacon. This is my favorite bacon, and you get a good amount. It always lasts us through the week. Always good to have, and this stuff is really, really good. It's always kind of like the highest price item I get, but it's so worth it to me because we eat it all up through the week. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this $54 Trader Joe's haul, and that helps some of you guys out, gives you some ideas and some meal ideas. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the comment section below. I'm happy to do it. I go to Trader Joe's. I live above a Trader Joe's, so I'm going there all the time, and these are really fun and easy for me to make. Happy to do them for you. If you guys want to see videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so I show up in your inbox, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. All right, take care, guys. Bye.